what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. So check it out. We just got in the Fujimi 124 scale shipping containers, available in green and pink. We have them on the website already up, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox one and put one together. The one cool thing about these is you could also display a model car inside, and you have the option to either do the side of the shipping container or a clear piece where you can see your model. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and decide which one we're going to be building. If it lands on this side, we're going to go with the green. If it lands on this side, we're going to go with the pink. All right, here we go. All right, pink it is. So let's put this one away and let's take a look inside of what we got. So this is what to expect when you get this and you open it up. Here we have these parts right here. Let's lay them all out right here. Cool. And then we have, so check it out. We have number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cool. Let's get right into it. Start tearing up these little bags. Let's get everything out. This side right there. The inside. Looks like a snap fit right there. Wow, this is really nice. Very nice. All right, so we have it all done now. We went ahead with the clear side, so this way we could see inside with the model displayed. I brought a couple model builds of mine out here to test out. We also have the extra piece, so in the future, if I ever decide, you know what, let's swap this out, I want to actually have it closed, we can do that too. So that's a good option there. We have two models in front of us. This is a 125th scale 63 Impala by AMT, and also a 124 scale Gloria by Aoshima. So the side here, the doors, let me show you here. Everything, as you could see, you could glue it, but I just popped everything in. It's pretty much like a snap kit, you know. This is how wide the doors you can go on there. And let's see, let's set this down. Let's get a model, and let's pretend that this model is going to be going in a container overseas, maybe to Japan. We'll see what's up. All right, let's change the angle. So here we got the 63 coming through. Right there. Look at that. It's a nice fit right there. Now we could, you know, obviously close the doors, and it's going to be on its way. With this, if you get more containers, you could stack them. That's a cool thing about them. You could definitely stack them up. Like I said, with the panel, you know, you don't want to have that. You could remove that and replace it with this. For those of you that know how to do graffiti, weathering, and all that, this is a nice canvas all over to be able to do something like that. If that's what you're wanting to go for, you know, you could always use this even as a nice diorama piece, maybe a little photo shoot and everything, you know, that would be really neat. I even considered like even waterside decals, you know, once you have it all set to go, you could even put some waterside decals, a livery, maybe if you're going a theme of a race car, you could do that right there. Let's go ahead and bring back out the 63 Impala by AMT, 125th scale. All right, let's pull that one out. Now let's go ahead and put the other model here. All right, cool. So this is the Gloria, another one of my builds. We're gonna go ahead and just place that in there like that, and then, you know, close up the doors. So even though I snapped everything together, I can still take this apart, and I would be able to just primer and paint everything together, you know. Obviously, if I put this up on my shelf, you know, I could see this every day. Like, wow, look at my model right here. So that's really cool. I'm really digging this. In a future video, I will be painting this, keep you guys up to date, just so you guys could see, you know, what are some of the things you guys could do this. We do have them up on our website. They are available at scalewriters.com. We have them in the pink and also in the green. So in case if you're not going to plan on painting it, you could always leave it the color it is as well. But they are available now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna keep playing with this. I'm gonna see what else we can do as far as the diorama piece. Very happy about this product. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this one. Peace.